Whoa, do you guys feel that? It's floating. Well, maybe because gravity is here in space. Fine. And when are we going back to the real world? Well, today actually, because we have nothing to do. I know, I've been sitting here for 5 days, waiting and reading my comic books. Beep bop, beep bop, beep bop. Okay, he said, I really want to go back to Earth so I could see my mommy. Okay. Don't you remember? You don't have a mom and dad. Oop, back, beep. Then he said, oh, I remember. We're going back to Earth. Last time. Here we go. Okay, we're here in the airlines. I'm gonna go change. Beep bop boop. He said, looks like he's got to change. I'm back. That's a good plan. Hey, and by the way, can I please have some bananas now? Okay? Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Better eat it. According, where are we going to live? You can live on a pirate ship, if that is better. But then, you guys are robots. How are you going to live on a pirate ship? Well, we are. We might make some friends on a pirate ship. We might meet snakes, or tigers, or other things around. So that's why I say we stay on a pirate ship. There's more people to meet, and more things to see. Fine, we're going to a pirate ship. Let's go. Okay, so we're here. I'm getting this room. Me and him are not going to stay anywhere. We'll just stay in random places. Well, I get top floor, where everything is. Okay, not everything is there, dude. And you know, I don't care if everything's there or not. They think they own this property. Looks like I'll just go down. What are you doing on my property? This is your property? Yes, it is my property. Now, what are you doing? Get up. You too? Did I ever say you could come here? No, you didn't. Beep bop boop bop beep bop. Stop speaking like that. Why do I hear this thing? Something there. I'm gonna go see what's going on. Wait for me. What the heck is going on? 'Cause I wanna know. Me too. I've been slithering for a very long time. Slither. Slith.
Let's get to bed. Is that too pale?
Slith. Hi. Okay, can you stop saying slith, please? What are you doing here? Beep bop, beep, 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 beep. I brought you guys here to see some more. What do you mean some more? Fine, go up. What the heck? How dare you enter my pot? Dude, this is not your pot. Why are you guys here? Because we are. And you cannot stop this. Because we are the actual ones here. We own this place. Not you. And how did you trespassers get here? Our ship broken down. Now, can we please stay at your house? Sure. Stay at my house. Okay? Just for a little bit. You might leave one day, or our ship might sink. Or something might happen. Find out soon, dear boy.